Hi guys! When it comes to washing your underwear, what would pop out of your mind? Like this? This? Or this? The third generation of WashWOW, designed for underwear cleaning. Just 30 minutes and your underwear will be as clean as new. The high-tech electrolysis of water does not need any laundry detergent. It can effectively decompose sweat stains and organic dirt, etc. It will eliminate 99.98% of bacteria, germs, and viruses. At the weight of only 106 grams and half size of an iPhone, you are able to carry a portable washing machine with outstanding cleaning ability. View a great convenience for your business trips and travel. The de-germing effect is awesome. It is odor-free and able to keep it fresh all the time. It is also capable for babies' clothes, bottles, or even disinfect toys, effectively protect the health of mother and baby. The third generation of WashWOW, a real eco-friendly product, which is small, light, and ultra-portable. Best of all, it isn't limited to laundry. Use it to clean unwashed produce, sanitize dishes, fruits and vegetables, and other items frequently found in less than sanitary conditions. No rubbing, no fading, no wearing.